Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Whether you're hitting the gym, jogging in the park, or just trying to stay active, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. Ever found yourself struggling to keep up with your nutrition on the go? It's a common challenge, especially when you're traveling or caught up in a busy work schedule. Well, I've got something just for you, the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. This little gadget is about to become your new best friend. Now, if you're serious about your fitness goals, you know how important it is to get your macros right. Proper nutrition is the foundation of any fitness regimen, and sometimes whipping up a nutritious smoothie, protein shake, or even a meal replacement can be a hassle. The mess, the time, the effort, it can be overwhelming. But that's where the Ninja Blast comes in. It simplifies the process, making it quick and easy to get your nutrition on point. First off, this blender is portable. Yes, you heard that right. It's designed to go wherever you go. No more excuses for not having a healthy drink on hand. It's lightweight, compact, and designed to fit right into your active lifestyle. Slip it into your gym bag, backpack, or even your purse. So, whether you're at the gym, in the office, or out on a hike, you can blend your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. Imagine the convenience. On the go? No problem. The Ninja Blast is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. The Ninja Blast packs some serious power with its 200-watt motor. Don't let its size fool you. That means you can crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and mix even the toughest ingredients. It's a powerhouse in a small package. Imagine sipping on a refreshing, ice-cold smoothie after a hardcore workout. Sounds heavenly, right? It's the perfect way to refuel. Crushes ice like a boss. No more chunky smoothies or half-blended shakes. Another cool feature is its USB-C rechargeable battery. This modern convenience makes it even more user-friendly. A single charge gives you up to 12 blends. That's right, you can blend multiple times before needing to recharge. No more hunting for power outlets or carrying bulky chargers. It's all about convenience and efficiency. Just plug it in, charge it up, and you're good to go. You can even use a power bank if you're really on the move. 12 blends per charge. That's plenty to get you through a busy week. And cleaning? Easy peasy. No more dread of cleaning up after making your drink. Add some water, a drop of soap, blend, and rinse. That's it. It's as simple as that. No more scrubbing or taking apart complicated components. It's designed for ease of use. Easy to clean. Let's talk about durability. This blender is built to withstand your active lifestyle. The Ninja Blast is built to last with its high-quality BPA-free plastic. It's safe and durable. So you don't have to worry about it breaking or leaking. It's designed to be tough. It's rugged enough to handle all your adventures. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just on the go, it's up for the challenge. Built tough for your adventures. Take it anywhere and everywhere. Now imagine this. You're at the park, just finished a killer run, and you pull out your Ninja Blast. It's the perfect post-workout companion. Within seconds, you've got a delicious, nutritious shake that's perfectly blended. No lumps, no mess. Your friends are going to be so jealous. They'll be asking where they can get one too. Perfect shakes every time. Consistency is key, and the Ninja Blast delivers. So if you're looking to take your fitness game to the next level, the Ninja Blast Portable Blender is a must-have. It's a game changer. It's convenient, powerful, and ready to go whenever you are. No more excuses for not having a healthy drink. Head over to the link in the description and grab yours today. Don't wait. Make the smart choice for your health. Don't miss out. Grab yours now. Be the envy of your friends and stay on top of your nutrition. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay healthy, stay fit. See you next time. Keep blending and stay awesome.